And Pap, you should be ashamed of yourself sending a cease and desist. According to your bird, you are the lyric master. You the lyric king. And you gonna send your wife a cease and desist over a song that has been out for 40 days and 40 nights. Obviously, some truth in it. Or is it all the truth? My whole thing is you've been letting your bird chirp since day one. You didn't think that song was going to be that successful? Since you want to take the credit of all her hits, that you wrote 90% of her lyrics, yet and still she's coming out here sounding like she been sounding. Ain't took a day off. Ain't skipped a beat. And slaughtering y'all. You think people would catch on that obviously you lied? I mean, what is it? Because like I said, your bird been chirping since day one. She's she made good on her promise. She said every time that bird say something about her, she gonna drag you. And she's doing that. And not as much as she should be because that bird chirps all the time about her. But that's neither here or there. The thing is, why would you be a bitch ass nigga like that? Why would you do that? That's so stupid. If you the lyric master, you the lyric king, you the king of hip hop, not R&B. You know, Jacka is trying to take that title, but you the king of hip hop. You the lyricist god. You couldn't get in the booth, do a clap back, do a response. You such a fuck nigga. I don't understand why. I don't understand why Clarissa be fighting over you for real. But not even fighting over you because Remy don't give a fuck. But